What if I told you that one tweet could get you more followers, leads and email subscribers than you could ever imagine? This is exactly what happened to me, but it only happened through one particular type of post. In this video I'll show you exactly what that post was so that you can replicate the same results for yourself. If you're anything like me, then you love getting valuable items for free. In fact, I bet the majority of you would know someone who would willingly accept a valuable item if someone were to give it to them for free. This same approach is what I used when putting together this social media post. I created something valuable and I gave it away for free. But why? How does this get you more followers, leads and subscribers? Well, let me show you the post. So there are 5 main elements within this post. The first element is the hook. The second is your achievement. The third is a solution. The fourth is urgency and scarcity. And the fifth is a call to action. Your hook is essential for keeping people reading. Keep it short and concise. In your achievement, you want to show a result that you got because people will want a piece of your success and realize that this thing you're giving away is what's going to get them there. Then in your solution, you want to tell them what you're giving away without giving too much away. People love simple PDF documents, and if you're creating a 20-page document, then the likelihood is people are going to skim through that 20-page document because it's a free piece of content. So the key part of a giveaway is to give away something that is short and concise and helps people to solve an issue quickly. And then you want to create some urgency and scarcity. You want to make people take action and make them take action fast. So in my post, I highlighted that the giveaway was only available for free for 24 hours. And then you want to end with a call to action. I normally ask for 3 things in my giveaways. I ask for a like, a comment, and then a follow. I ask people to follow so that I can DM them the giveaway. But the real question you'll be asking is, what do I give away? The truth is, there's no point giving something away if no one wants it. So the question I ask myself whenever I create a giveaway is, what would a 2-month younger version of myself want and need in order to get to where I am today? 2 months ago, I had no clients and I'd only just started my business, so I wanted to know how to get clients and how to get them fast. And this is the theme that I based my giveaway around. I wanted to create something that helped others get clients based on the process I used to close them. So when you've decided what to give away, you obviously have to create it. And there's 2 great ways you can use to create your giveaways. The first way is through a video course, and the second way is through creating a simple document. People love things that are easy to digest, and Notion is a tool that allows you to do just that. And there's a big reason for that, because with Notion, you're able to create a page that is able to be shared as a publicly available website. Users can duplicate the giveaway and save it to their own Notion account. And Notion's navigation and user interface is user-friendly. In Notion, you can create headings, pages within pages, coloured sections, add images and videos, and the list continues. It makes it easy for the user to navigate and creates a pleasant experience for the reader. If you want to see what this giveaway looked like and how I presented it, you can find a link to it in the description. Of course, a giveaway wouldn't be a giveaway if you didn't actually give away what you created, and by that I mean you have to send the giveaway to those that have entered. So when you send your giveaway, you'll want to send it to them through the DMs. It's the easiest way to distribute a giveaway to people, but it also provides an opportunity to connect with those that have entered. On my giveaway, I ask people to do 3 things. The first is to like so that it gets more eyeballs on the tweet. The second is to follow so that I can DM them the giveaway. And the third is to comment clients. And I sent the giveaway to every single person that commented clients. There are 2 ways you can go about sending your DM. The first way is the lazy way, where you just send a link to the giveaway, or the second way is the effective way that actually gets you leads, where you actually plan what you're going to send. And this is the way that I always choose. So here's the DM that I sent to everyone that entered my giveaway. Now you can see that I didn't choose the lazy way and just send a link to the Notion page, but I was effective with it and added a little bit more about my offer in there too. I addressed the ICP. I said, if you're selling a service or product, do you want to increase your conversions? And then I added a call to action. If you do, drop me a DM saying, let's work. Then I gave them a little insight into what would happen after they took action and replied with, let's work. Adding a call to action at the end of your DM massively increases conversions, but it only gets better. Let's go back to the link in my DM and see if you notice anything in particular about it. You'll see that it has 2 letters in there, C and K, and that just means it's taking people to a ConvertKit page. As part of your giveaway funnel, it's always nice to get something in return for the thing that you've created. In my case, I sent people to a ConvertKit page asking for their name and email. Once they confirm their subscription to my email newsletter, they'll get access to my giveaway. But how do you set up a ConvertKit form so that you can collect the details of those entering the giveaway? Well, the process is straightforward. You want to head to ConvertKit, and if you haven't already created an account, then create an account. and then go to grow, then landing pages and forms, create new, landing page, choose a template, and then edit the page to your needs. And once you're done, you can publish the page and then you'll get a link, and that's the link you want to include in your giveaway DM. But there's one final step. Go back to landing pages, click the three dots, edit, settings, incentive, edit contents. Then in edit contents, you want to edit the contents to your style, and then paste the URL to your giveaway. Then after that, anyone that signed up through your giveaway landing page will receive an incentive email. Then in that incentive email, they'll have a confirm button, which they'll click and will be directed through to your giveaway page. As I mentioned, giveaways are great for getting more followers, leads and subscribers. But if you want to increase the chances even more of getting more leads and clients, then you need an optimized landing page, a place where people can go to find out more about your offer and take action. Fortunately for you, I've shared some of the secrets I use when creating optimized landing pages for my clients, and you can find out more about those secrets in this video right here.